Alright, due to the sudden demand of a nail polish video, I've decided to make one. Let's go Google search nails and then images. That's crappy out there. Oh, this isn't right. Oh, there we go, bloody oath, mate. Here we go. So, good few pictures here. So, let's take a look at what I prepared earlier. Here we go. Alright, as you can see, I've gone for the real deal. Today we're going to be painting the nails red and a few various other colours. Whoops, what does this thing do? I have no clue whatsoever. Someone leave a comment, I don't know what I'm doing. Just click on whatever things you want. I mean, it's the easiest thing to, yeah. So, just make it really colourful. Let's see how we went. Let's just skip. Great, I like it. Mission success, guys. Thank you for watching.